Hey guys, Dr. Zach here with Infinity Wellness Center. We're gonna be going over 3 stretches that every pregnancy mom or pregnant mom should do. So with Bailey here at our practice, we have wobble cushions. And so what we're gonna have her get started with is gonna be side to side with her hips. So what we want her to do is, going side to side. And what that's going to do is going to help to loosen up the lower back if there's any tension or tightness down there, to allow the joints to be a little bit more mobilized and flexible. So when we do the adjustment, it allows the adjustment to be more effective. The next one that we would have her do is going to be the forward and backwards with the hips. So rocking the hips forward and back, forward and back. So whether you have a wobble cushion at home, or you come into the practice at Infinity Wellness Center, or maybe you have an exercise yoga ball at home, this exercise would be a good thing to do to kind of get the lower back warmed up and stretched out if you do have any tightness. Now, the next one that we're going to be performing is going to be the hip flexor. So we're going to have you stand up. And with the hip flexor, we're going to have her bend down, squat down on one knee. And with this one here, we're going to have her her right hip here kind of lean forward, and she should feel that stretch on the front right side, and hold that for about 10 seconds. And then we'll have her switch and do the other side. Perfect. Same thing, and we should be able to feel that stretch just on the hip flexor area to allow the pelvis to be more flexible and less tense as well. The next one that we're going to do is going to be the cat-cow. So we'll have her go on her hands and her knees with all 4. And so as you see here, what we want to do in this situation is we want to make sure that the hip is lined up with the knee. So we'll bring this knee forward a little bit. Good, so we make sure that's in alignment. And then making sure her arms, we'll pull her arm back a little bit to make sure her wrists and her elbows and shoulder are all in perfect alignment there. Now what we're gonna have her do is we're gonna have her take her thoracic spine and bring it up. Then we're gonna have her wiggle her hips side to side. And what that's going to do is gonna allow nice flexibility and stretching of the lower back. Now we're gonna have her do the cow position, lowering that down, allowing that belly to kind of sink down there, and allow this nice stretch in this lower back as well. We'll have her do this one more time. Bring that thoracic spine up, wiggle the hips side to side, and then go ahead and do that cow position. Now, doing any of these exercises, you want to do them for between 3 to 5 sessions to be able to get the best response possible. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to 720-747-5333, or look us up on our website, infinitywellnesscenter.com. Like and share this page.